Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Lucky English for Beginners. I'm your host, and today we're going to practice 50 sentences focusing on 3 often confused words: job, work, and career. While they are related, they each describe a different aspect of professional life. Say the sentences out loud after me. Pay close attention to the context, and tell me in the comments, what is your ultimate career goal? Ready? Let's clarify these distinctions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons. Part 1. Job. Focus on specific paid position. Key distinction. A job is a specific, often short-term, paid role where you perform tasks for an employer. It usually comes with the article a or the. I need to find a new job soon. Her job requires her to travel frequently. He applied for a job as a chef. The company is offering job training for new employees. I quit my job last month because I needed a change. It's just a part-time job to earn extra money. The primary job of a waiter is customer service. I interview candidates who are looking for a job. This job has great health benefits. My neighbor has held the same job for 30 years. Part 2. Work. Focus on activity, effort, and location. Key distinction. Work is generally used as a non-count noun referring to the activity, effort, or labor itself, or the place where you do it. It does not use the article a. I have a lot of work to do before the deadline. I go to work by bus every morning. The place, activity. His work is very creative and detailed. She spends all day doing paperwork at work. I finished the work on the project late last night. The new machine makes the work easier. I'm looking for a better work-life balance. We need to hire more people because the volume of work is increasing. Can you send the work email after lunch? Activity, effort. I enjoy the work itself more than the pay. Part 3. Career. Focus on long-term professional path. Key distinction. A career is the long-term progression of one's professional life, often in a specific field, including promotions, education, and experience. She has built a successful career in law. I am planning my career path for the next 10 years. He decided to change his career completely. I believe continuing education is vital for my career growth. My career started 20 years ago as an assistant. He is at the peak of his career right now. She chose a career in medicine because she loves helping people. My parents always encouraged me to pursue a stable career. I am aiming for a career that allows me to travel the world. The promotion was a major milestone in his career. Part 4. Comparative sentences. My job as a cashier is part of my larger career in retail management. The actual work of cleaning is difficult, but the job is necessary. After a long career, he retired from his last job and stopped work entirely. The amount of extra work depends on the specific job. She prioritized her family over her career for a few years. I love my current job, and it's a step up in my career. Getting this certificate will open up new job opportunities in my field of work. He finds deep satisfaction in his work, even if the job is stressful. What is your current job, and where do you want your career to go? I look for meaning in my work, not just a well-paid job. Interactive questions. Tell me, which word refers to the activity or effort you put in? Say it loud. I need to find a new job soon. Which word is used for a specific paid position? Tell me, which word refers to your long-term professional journey? Say it. I go to work by bus every morning. Can you say, I have a new career? Usually no. Say, I have a new job, or I am starting a new career. Say it loud. The promotion was a major milestone in his career. When someone retires, what do they usually stop doing? Tell me, what is a common example of a part-time job? Say it. I am planning my career path for the next 10 years. If you are doing paperwork, is that your job, your work, or your career? Say it loud. I love my current job, and it's a step up in my career. Tell me,
Which of these three words is used as a non-count noun? Say it. I need to find a better work-life balance. What is a major difference between a job and a career? That was a great lesson on the differences between job, work, and career. You spoke so much professional English and learned how to talk clearly about your future accurately. Super job. Practice these sentences and use them to talk clearly about your professional goals. In the comments, tell me, what is the difference between job training and career development? Like this video if you said the sentences out loud. Subscribe to Lucky English for Beginners and hit the bell for more fun lessons. See you next time. Bye-bye.